Okay, we're going to show you how to really easily work with some of the new features in Adobe Premiere Pro 2026. We've got the transcript and captions, how to edit text and do things like that. It's really easy. Adobe has made things very simple. Once you know how to do it, you're going to fly through this. So you can set up your workspace any way you want. Window workspace to choose one. You can also choose over here in this icon and just pick one that works. I have it set at captions and graphics, but as long as you see this window here, this panel should have transcript and captions. That's what we want. So I'm going to import a clip right now, anything with audio, and I'm going to drag it to this little guy here to make it a timeline of its own. It sets it up with all its properties that match that clip. Now you can see that the audio is really quiet in this clip here. So I'm just going to right click on it, hit audio gain, normalize all peaks to 0, and that'll bump it up. You can hit. And now we've got something that we can work with here. So we've got the audio right here. This is very simple. As long as I go to the transcript tab here in this panel and hit transcribe, watch this, literally seconds. And I mean, this is like a 1.5 minute clip, but Adobe transcribes automatically. It's pretty accurate. You're going to want to check. Sometimes it gets words wrong. That's okay. One thing that's really neat that you could do here is you can select the text and then right click, and you can either copy and paste. Now you've got that section. It's very easy to just go ahead and edit or remove something. Let's say I'm working with this clip here and I want to pull out this sentence right here. Right click, cut. It cuts it and it adjusts it in the timeline, so you could literally do your editing up here in this panel. It's very intuitive and very easy to work with. Now I'm going to remove that clip that we generated. I'm going to leave it just like this. The other thing that's really simple and easy to do is hit captions, create captions from transcript. When you're here, you can choose from any of these options. You can automatically create the captions track, and you've got some options here. And your preferences, you can set your size and a couple things here. You can change these later, no problem. So we're just going to leave it at that, and we're going to create the captions track. And there it is right here. We've got our captions, and look at this. All our captions are right here. Again, you might want to go through and double check. You can individually adjust these things and say, I don't work with Adobe After Effects. Okay, so you can change individual things by just selecting them here in your program window. You can adjust your text, your size, the font size. So let's select this one right here, and let's adjust, select this right here and adjust the font size. And you can see we've got a lot of options here. We can change the color, make it red. Right now you can see I'm just editing one chunk of text. Undo. If you want to do them all, select everything, and then when you change the size, they're all going to be adjusted. So if you want to adjust everything over here in the properties panel, you can do that by selecting everything. So now you've got subtitles right here, auto-generated. Go through and check them. Another thing that I will do here using Adobe Premiere back in the transcript window, I will often hit these little dots right here in my transcript tab, and you can actually export your transcript. You can export it to you can export it to a text file, which is very helpful if you're uploading your video to YouTube and you want to just dump the whole transcript in there. That's advisable if you want to have your captions done through YouTube. This is how you adjust captions, text, and create subtitles using Adobe Premiere Pro 2026.